Forget one step when adding a Go dependency, and your teammates' builds will break. The command to add a dependency in Go is go-get followed by the package import path. For example, to add the popular UUID package, you'd run go.github.com/google/uid. Go downloads the package and all its transitive dependencies automatically. You can also target a specific version by appending an @ symbol and the version tag, like at v1.6.0. Once go.get runs, your go.mod file is automatically updated. This file is the foundation of Go module management. It records your module name, the minimum required Go version, and every direct dependency with its pinned version. You'll see a new required block entry for the package you just downloaded. Commit go.mod to version control. It's what ensures every developer on your team builds against the exact same dependencies. Go also updates a companion file called go.sum, which contains cryptographic checksums for every module version. This is Go's security layer. It prevents supply chain attacks by verifying packages haven't been modified. Never edit go.sum by hand. To actually use your new package, add an import statement in your source file. And if you add imports before running go.get, run go.mod tidy to automatically reconcile everything. Adding a Go dependency, run go.get, let go.mod and go.sum update automatically, then import in your code. Subscribe for more Go interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.